What if you could make viral baby videos, the kind getting millions of views on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, completely for free, using nothing but AI and a browser? No camera, no editing skills, no paid subscription. And I used this exact method to pull over 200,000 views in just 2 days on my shorts. I'll show you the proof, the exact steps, and the prompts I used, plus one bonus trick at the end that most creators never talk about. Don't skip ahead, every step matters. Before we dive in, let me show you this is real. Here is my YouTube dashboard, 200,000 plus views from baby shorts in 2 days. And here are the Instagram and Facebook insights showing the engagement on the same content. This is not luck. It is a repeatable system I am going to walk you through step by step. Stay with me. This is going to be one of those videos you actually use. So here's the tool we are going to use, Google Flow. And the best part? It is completely free, whether you have a paid plan or not. Open your browser and search for Google Flow, or just click the link I have dropped in the description. Head to the official site at labs.google/fx/tool/flow. Click Create with Flow and sign in with your Gmail. Once you are in, create a new project. The interface might look a little overwhelming at first, but ignore everything for now. I am going to walk you through exactly what to click. Here is what matters. Look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a model selector and it might say Nano Banana Pro or a video model name. Whatever it shows, click on it and make sure you select a video model because we are generating video, not images. Next to that, you will see ingredients. Leave that selected. Now, for aspect ratio, select 9:16. That is the vertical format for Reels and Shorts. For quantity, change it to 1. I know it defaults to 4, but trust me, set it to 1. Otherwise, you will burn through your credits fast for no reason. For the AI model, select Omni Flash. Set the duration to 10 seconds. That is it. Your Google Flow setup is ready to go. Now here's where the magic happens, the prompt. I have created a master prompt template that makes this entire process simple and consistent. The link is in the description. Go grab it and copy it. Once you have the master prompt, open ChatGPT and paste it in. You will notice there is an input data section in the prompt. That is the only part you need to fill in. Add your location, any character dialogue, and your plot idea. For this example, I am setting the location. Watch how I do it. Pay attention to exactly what I change because the rest of the prompt stays the same. Once you have filled it in, run it. ChatGPT will take your master prompt and generate a Google Flow Ready video prompt automatically. Now, one thing. If you want more script ideas beyond what ChatGPT generates, I have also linked a full script bank in the description. It has multiple ready-to-use baby video scripts you can drop right into this workflow. Grab one of those scripts, paste it below the main prompt in ChatGPT. Give it a quick review, especially if it is in Hindi, because AI can sometimes mess up the spelling. And once everything looks good, copy both the generated prompt and the script together. That is your prompting phase done. Head back to Google Flow. Paste your complete prompt into the text field and hit generate. It only takes a few seconds. And I genuinely think when you see the result, you are going to want to subscribe just from the quality alone. Let us check it out.
अंकल जूस ठंडा है?
बिल्कुल ठंडा है।
तो थोड़ा गरम करके देना।
Look at that. Smooth motion, the right scene, exactly what the prompt described. This is the kind of content that is already going viral for other creators. And now you know how to make it. Here is the bonus I promised. And honestly, this alone makes the video worth watching all the way through. When you generate videos with Google Flow, they will have a Gemini watermark on them. You cannot post that to Instagram or YouTube as is, but there is a free tool that removes it cleanly. Go to your browser and search for Gemini Watermark Remover, or use the link in my description. The site is geminiwatermarkremover.io. Click on Videos, upload your generated file, and hit Start Local Cleanup. The whole process takes under a minute. And there it is.
अंकल जूस ठंडा है?
बिल्कुल ठंडा है।
तो थोड़ा गरम करके देना।
Completely clean. No watermark, no AI branding. Ready to upload. So to recap, you now know how to generate trending baby reels for free using Google Flow, how to craft the right prompts using my master template, how to pull fresh script ideas from the script bank, and how to remove the watermark in under a minute. All the links, Google Flow, the master prompt, the script bank, the watermark remover, are in the description. Everything is there. If you got value from this, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you have questions. I read every single one. See you in the next one.